Good morning, everyone.
Hi, what are you selling?
Looks fresh as always.
Thank you. Have a good day. Grandma, these vegetables are heavy.
You are doing great, dear.
We're almost there.
Good.
Grandma, the tea is lovely.
I'm glad, dear. It's a special blend.
It's so peaceful here with you. The water is so clear today.
It is. The vegetables will taste wonderful.
I can't wait.
Scrub them well, dear.
Yes, grandmother.
Gently now. Make sure they're all clean.
Okay, I'll...
That's it. Cut it nice and thin.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. You're doing great.
Grandma, is this enough stirring?
Yes, dear. Now for the secret
It
ingredient.
smells amazing.
Perfect. Mix it gently, dear.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Now add the carrots.
It looks beautiful. This one is almost ready.
Yes, you're doing very well.
Thank you, grandmother.
This is so good, Grandma.
I'm glad you like it. Have some more.
I will.